social group, please note it down also. A social group consists of two or more individuals or two or more people who interact with one another and who define or recognize themselves as distinct social unit, right? Who recognize themselves as distinct social unit. Again, I will repeat, right? A social group consists of two or more people who interact with one another, who recognize themselves as a distinct social unit, right? One important feature of the social group is frequency of interaction, and that interaction is based on, among the group, that interaction is based on certain values and norms, right? And on the basis of values and norms, like if values are economic in nature, political in nature, if guidelines are social, familial in nature, we categorize that arrangement of interaction, frequent interaction based on values and norms in terms of institution, right? So basically, you can say, as far as sociological conceptualization is concerned, first comes, the social group, the concept of social group, and then social institutions, right? Broadly, there are two types of groups. There are two types of social groups, right? Primary, for the sake of our understanding, there are many types, but here we need to understand, primary social group and secondary social group. Secondary social group, primary social group and secondary social group. The basic feature or characteristics of primary social group is face-to-face social interaction, right? Informal social relation, face-to-face social interaction, informal social interaction, right? There are informality in interaction. The values are generally specific in primary group, isn't it? The values are specific in primary group, right? Different this primary group actually differs from secondary groups in terms of values. In secondary groups, universalistic values, right? Universalistic guidelines actually are followed. In primary group, specific guidelines, specific values are followed, right? For example, family is a primary group, right? Your peer group in school, right? In universities, ठीक है ना, जिसके साथ कार्ड खेलते थे या पार्टी करते थे, right? That you understand, smoking, drinking, etc. That is primary group, right? Your peer group is primary group, where you had face-to-face interaction as well as informal social relation, face-to-face interaction as well as informal social relation, right? अब आप ऐसा नहीं कहोगे कि सर आज तो इंटरेक्शन टेलीफोन से हो रहा है एंड फेस टू फेस का इंटरेक्शन हो रहा है, राइट? तो हियर फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन मींस कि you frequently meet to the members of primary group, right? Informal interaction means कि like the interaction is not based on rigid rules and regulations, isn't it? So this is primary group. Secondary group is the group, right, which may not be characterized as face-to-face interaction, or the most important characteristic of secondary group is कि secondary group is based on formal set of values and norms, and interaction is also formal set of values and norms, and interaction is also formal, right? For example, the group of bureaucrats, right? Your group in civil services will be like a bureaucrats, group of bureaucrats, like secondary group, or bureaucracy, in general bureaucracy you can refer as secondary group, right? Groups in work organization, your work group in industries or factories, right? Or in service sector, your work group, right, is formal, based on based on certain rules and regulation. Your behavior is based on certain rules and regulation, so that is referred as secondary group. बस ये basic समझ के रखिए, केवल primary group and secondary group, right? Like your peer group, your family group, your friends group, these are primary group, And all groups apart from these three, like family, kinship also, family, kinship, and peers or friends, isn't it? Apart from these groups, other groups are secondary groups, right? Okay, okay.